Good morning, students. Students, today we are going to solve some questions related to continuity. So, question number one, student, test the continuity of the function at the origin. Fx equals to mod x upon x when x is not equal to 0. Fx equals to 1 at x equal to 0. So students, as you solved some question in class 11, by same method we are going to solve here LHL at x equal to 0, left hand limit. So left hand limit we discussed yesterday, limit x tends to 0 less fx, little bit less than 0 value we will take. So 0 less than value means this function will be applied here, mod of x upon x at x tends to 0 less. Now students, we are going to suppose x equal to 0 minus h, because I told you we have to take value little bit less than 0 and h is very small value we are taking, which is less than 0. 0 minus h, x value we have to put 0, 0 minus h, h equals to 0, correct? So limit h tends to 0, at the place of x we will write 0 minus x, at the place of x we will write 0 minus h, and at the place of x we have to write h tends to 0. Correct, students? Limit x tends to 0 as it is, 0 minus h, mod is there, so it will become positive h, and 0 minus h in denominator, h cancel, student. Answer here minus 1, so there will be no effect of x tends to 0 at minus 1. Minus 1 is the constant function, student, so answer will be minus 1. Now student, RHL at x equal to 0, so little bit more value we have to take than 0, limit x tends to 0 more fx. So you can see 1 is there for x equals to 0, but we are going to take little bit more than 0. So then we have to apply this function, mod of x upon x. So I have written here limit x tends to 0 more, mod of x upon x. Now student, we have to suppose little bit more than 0 means x equal to 0 plus h. And when you put x equal to 0, then answer will be there, h tends to h equal to 0. So that's why at the place of x tends to 0 more, we will write h tends to 0, or at the place of x 0 plus h upon 0 plus h. 0 plus h equals to h, mod is there, so there will be h, and in denominator also h, both are same, h cancel, limit h tends to 0, 1 is constant function here, so there will be no effect of limit, answer is 1. So student, LHL answer minus 1, RHL answer 1, both are not equal here, so we have to mention here LHL is not equals to RHL. It means the function is not continuous at x equal to 0, because we know that function is continuous when left hand limit equals to right hand limit equals to the value at the given point, the value of function at the given point. Now students, question number 2, show that the function given by fx equals to x sine 1 upon x when x is not equal to 0 and 0 when x equal to 0 is continuous at x equal to 0. Student, we have to prove, we have to show. It means LHL will be RHL equal to fx. So let us check one time. LHL at x equal to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Fx value x sine 1 upon x. Okay. Limit x tends to 0 less. Fx. So limit x tends to 0 less x sine 1 upon x, because less than 0 we are going to take this value. Let us change the limit. Now we have to suppose little bit less than 0, x equal to 0 minus h. When you put x equal to 0, we will get h equals to 0. So at the place of x tends to 0 less, we will write h tends to 0. At the place of x, we will write 0 minus h sine 1 upon 0 minus h. H tends to 0, minus h sine minus 1 upon h. Limit h tends to 0, h sine 1 upon h, because sine minus theta equal to minus sine theta, student. So that minus and minus h will become plus h sine 1 upon h. Now students, applying limit, so we are going to put at the place of h 0, and this will be 1 upon 0. It means this is any value between minus 1 and 1, because we know that sine function values always lies between minus 1 and 1. So therefore we will write here at the place of sine 1 upon h an oscillating number between minus 1 and 1, and the number between there minus 1 and 1. So when this number multiply by 0, answer is 0. So LHL answer 0, student. Now RHL at x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0 more fx. Limit x tends to 0 more x sine 1 upon x. Because it is given here x is not equal to 0, then we have to use this function, student. And here we are going to take little bit more than 0. Therefore, the function is this x sine 1 upon x. Limit x tends to 0. As we did in previous question, at the place of x we have to write 0 plus h. 1 1 at the place of x 0 plus h. Limit h tends to 0. H sine 1 upon h. H value 0. 0 into an oscillating number between minus 1 and 1. So answer is 0. So LHL answer is 0. RHL answer is also 0. And when you put 0 in fx, then answer is 0. So all three are equal. LHL equal to RHL equal to f0. Therefore fx is continuous at x equal to 0. Okay, students. So this is the method of solving or checking the function is continuous or not at the given point. Okay then, students, have a nice